Welcome back to another video, traders, and if you're new to the channel, welcome to Charting Trends for Trading Options. I'm TJ, and today we're going to be looking at Liquidity Services, LQDT. Let's get into it. Here's the chart for Liquidity Services, LQDT. We're on the 4-hour 180-day chart. This growth trend here, it goes back to 2018. We haven't seen it in a while, but we just revisited it a few months ago in October, the most recent high, and again breaking right through it to today's new all-time high. And we also have the coronavirus recovery trend that goes back to the low of $3 in March, end of March, and we've been out and above that for the most part this year, bouncing off it a couple of times, and establishing a couple new highs leading up to today's big push. And I think it's all related to revenue. We're going to look at these revenue report numbers really quick just to give you the story. Liquidity Services has been struggling to generate revenue for years and years, and finally has kind of turned the corner. But let's see, back in May, they had negative earnings. Back in August was their first positive earnings, beating an estimate. They generated 5 cents per share, nothing crazy, but it's revenue. And then this most recent one, on the morning of the 8th, they posted 23 cents per share. So growth, positive revenue, all great signs, all leading to, this huge move that we saw today. And I've been following this stock for a few months now with equity and options, so it wasn't a huge surprise, but certainly very, very nice to see the response from the market there after a great report. So what are we looking at now in the short term? As we can see, we've hit recent highs a couple times lately, and each time we saw pretty much immediately a pullback, consolidation into previously established supports. Here, when we hit 873, we again pulled back into this support from this high to at 691, and then back in October when we came up and hit this new high at 1139. Over the next couple of weeks, we saw a pullback into that support again at 875, and that consolidation lasted a couple of months or so, and then with the earnings report on Tuesday, we finally broke out again up into new all-time highs. So recording this today during market hours, but what do I expect to see? I expect to see this pattern repeat itself again. Now, we're generating revenue, we're generating solid revenue at this point, so it might not pull all the way back down into this previous support. This could be as far as it goes. I'd expect to see it maybe come down to this level where we had this early morning pullback pre-market before the big run. 1385, certainly wouldn't be surprised to see that at all over the next couple of weeks. That'd be a 22% drop from the all-time high. Let me get my cursor. So from where we are right now in the short term, I'd see over the next month you're very likely to see this, or at least this. So anywhere from a 15% to a 25% pullback into these previous all-time highs. And then over the next 6 months, certainly be exciting to see the next earnings report in 3 months. Would not be surprised if we get back and start looking for new all-time highs again at that point. But it's going to take a couple of months, and that'd be a 15% gain from where we are right now. But as I said, I expect a couple of months, certainly a couple of weeks of consolidation back into previous support before we start looking for more on this. But that's it for LQDT. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please leave a like down below. It really helps out the channel. If you have any questions or comments, please comment below. I read all the comments, so I'll definitely respond. And if you want to see more videos like this one or other technical analysis, please subscribe. Thanks, guys, and have a great day.